Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on an amazing one-day trip to the Isle of Wight. Let's explore about this place. Our journey begins with a bus ride to the port. The best part of this trip, we get to load the bus onto the ferry and our bus comes along for the ride. As we sail towards the Isle of Wight, we can enjoy the peaceful sea breeze and stunning views. You can step out on the deck to take in these views of the sea before we arrive on the island. This ferry ride has been super relaxing. After a ferry ride, we arrived at the Isle of Wight. Our first stop, Alum glass shop. This place is famous for its handcrafted glassware, and even artisans create beautiful glass pieces right in front of you. So much cool stuff here. This place is a must visit. Next, we take this iconic chairlift ride, head down to the beach. The view from up here of the Needles is absolutely stunning. You get this incredible aerial view of the Needles, one of the most famous landmarks of the Isle of Wight. Just look at this view. The water and dramatic cliffs are absolutely stunning. Now it's a time for a real adventure, a boat trip to the Needles, one of the most famous landmarks in the UK. This is the best way to get up close to the towering white chalk formations and the historic Needles lighthouse. After the boat ride back on the beach, you will find the famous multicolored sands of the Alum. It looks like nature's own rainbow. Then we took the chairlift back up and explored more attractions like 4D cinema experience, a sand shop and a fun fair. There are plenty to enjoy here. Next, we take a bus ride to Sandown Hilltop. From here, the views of the coast are just unreal. You can see the coastline for miles. We also visited the pearl shop where you can see some of the finest pearls and jewelry on the island. Later, we spent some time relaxing at Sandown Beach. After a perfect day, we took the bus back on the ferry and enjoyed a beautiful sunset from the cruise on the way home. This trip was absolutely amazing. If you are planning a day trip to the Isle of Wight, make sure to visit these beautiful spots. Let me know in the comments if you have been here before or if it is on your bucket list. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.